Welcome back to the next episode of Meet the Pros. Today we're meeting with Anthony Woo. He is the founder of climatisationacg here in Montreal, and he specializes in heating, ventilation, and cooling. And he's here today to talk to us about the preventative measures you can take on your heating system or your cooling system this fall to prevent his service call in the spring. So Anthony, thanks so much for joining us today. Share with us, what can we do this fall to preserve or maintain our unit so it's not broken come springtime?
Hey, Paul, thanks a lot for having me here. So basically, everything comes down to maintenance and preventative maintenance. First issue would be making sure the outdoor unit is clean and clear of debris. If you got bushes, dust, pollen, all that should be just rinsed down with a hose. If you're not sure, always feel free to shoot us a message with a picture, what it looks like. You can brush it with a soft bristle brush, always going vertical in order to not bend the fins. And when you're hosing, you would like to go at 45 degrees, pushing all the debris downwards. Secondly, would be your air filters at your furnace, the indoor system. Usually it's on the return side. Usually it's a box filter. It could be a 1-inch filter up to a 4-inch filter. Whichever filter it is, the way to do it is check at every month. See if it's dirty. If it's not dirty, you can leave it in there. The bigger the filter, they could last up to 6 months, but doesn't mean only at 6 months do you change them. And that's pretty much all you need to do for the fall to ensure that your heating system is gonna run properly. In the springtime, there's a little bit more to do. The extra thing you're gonna check for is your condensate line to make sure that if you have access to flush it out, clean it out, just to make sure that you won't have a flooding situation in the springtime.
Okay, perfect. So that's what I'm hearing is essentially there's kind of very small things that have a big impact on your system for the overall health of your system is really kind of like letting it breathe, right? Because it is the breathing system, it's the lungs of your house. So if you have that filter that's cleaned out and new, and I believe you can buy those at Amazon, at Home Depot.
Yeah, you could get the filters anywhere. There's filters Canada.ca, Amazon. You can order them through my company if you wish to get them local. Yeah, there's definitely plenty. There's some filters that are a bit odder sizes because of custom ductwork depending on your house. Then those are custom made, which we can order for you guys as well.
Oh, so that's great. So that an added service that you offer is not only can you diagnose that you need new filters, but I can also get them through you as well, which is very good. And especially being able to shop local is even better. So definitely, I want new filters, clear away any kind of debris around my system outside, and then of course in the fall make sure that the condensation line is clear, so I don't have a water accumulation, and the system again can continue working properly.
Yeah, just a correction. The condensate line is only checked in the springtime. That will only take effect when your air conditioning is working. In the heating season, it's actually going to dry out. And that is why it's important in the springtime to check the condensate line so that all the dust and stuff that dries up in that line will get flushed out before your air conditioning starts.
Well, that's amazing. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. These units are very expensive that sit in our properties, and these small tasks that are very inexpensive can really help with the longevity of the system. And of course, if your system were to ever need a big maintenance or a repair for whatever reason, I know that anybody can give you a call. You'll be able to come in, diagnose the problem for them, give them an estimate, and of course, fix the problem as you did on my property not too long ago. And I really did appreciate the work that you did. It was clean, efficient, and the problem was solved within days, which is great. So Anthony, thank you so much for joining us today, sharing your expertise with us. And of course, everybody's invited to give you a call for maintenance, preventative issues, or just some advice on their HVAC system.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Paul. It was my pleasure.